Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So if you're a Galaxy S24 Ultra user, so there's a good news for you guys that the One UI 9 build has been spotted on the test server. Yes, you heard it right. Thanks to Turn Watts on Twitter for sharing that the Galaxy S24 series, a new One UI 9 beta build has been spotted. That means that in the upcoming month, you can expect to get a One UI 9 beta version for the Galaxy S24 series. But the sad part about this beta version is that it will be only limited to some countries, while the other regions will have to wait for the official update. And for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, there are high chances that the One UI 9 Beta 5 might be the last beta version for it. After the August update, in the month of September, we might get to see the stable update for the Galaxy S26 series. So for the Galaxy S26 series, we'll be getting the stable update, and for the S24 and S25 series, we might get to see the One UI 9 beta version. For the Galaxy S25 series, the One UI 9 beta version was expected to be released in this week, but there is no beta version released yet for the Galaxy S25 series. Further, if we talk about the features or the new upcomings, so there are no as such new features or some crazy stuff coming up with a One UI 9 update like there was before with the One UI 8.5 update. There are no major UI changes available this time around. But according to the leaks of the One UI 9.5 update, we will be getting some major upgrades in that. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the latest news regarding the One UI 9 update for the Galaxy S24, S25 and the S26 series. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe and let us know your thoughts in the comments.